Hello everyone, let's see what type of different bikes do we see usually in Indian roads. Splendor, this is what? Passion, again Hero, okay. Hero, Passion, Splendor, CB100, that's CP1, SP125. I usually get confused in all of these bikes. But yeah, let's see other Splendor, not Super Splendor, Splendor Plus. This is the most common bike that you would see on Indian roads. A classic Bullet 350, Splendor. Is it X-Pulse? Looks like it. Yeah, X-Pulse. Splendor, 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 Splendor. That does not. That's a Passion. Yeah. Shine. Hero has covered Hero and Honda. Of course, they have covered a good chunk of market for these. I won't call them low tiers. They are not low tiers. Value for money bikes. You can say that. See, Passion, CV100, Passion, FZX. I have. Okay, it's Yamaha. Yeah, I remember when they launched it. I've not seen a lot of them. What else? Splendor, Phaser, if I remember the name correctly. Yamaha Phaser. It's a good bike. I still remember one of my friends had it. It was recently released, and when was it? I was might 10, 15 years ago. Really? I was in 8th or maybe 10th standard. So it would have been easily more than 7, 5, easily more than 15 years. Okay, let's see what other type of bikes do we see. So this is Noida. Splendor, I'm just sharing the name of the city as well, because there is a possibility that other cities might have different bikes. Shine and Passion, is that the same bike? I don't know. Comment below, correct me. Are we going to talk about scooters and Activa as well? No. What a good thumb good rooster. Shine, Passion, what? Now it's easy. Oh, it's Yamaha. Okay, yeah, I don't know the name. I can't see the name. Nice looks from the indicator. I don't know if it works or not, but yeah, it's a good look. Is it a red light? No. There is a Passion. Splendor. Super Splendor. Hero. Yeah, I think it is Super Splendor. Let's see. Passion, new model, Splendor, Passion or Shine? Passion, bro. God, there are a lot of Passion and CB100, Plantina. Plantina was 100cc, yeah, 129. I don't know. Splendor? No, it's a moped. Bullet, yeah, classic. Then, okay, now that we are ramping it up, the average decreased. If I rev it up to 80, 100, the average would of course be reduced. In the eco mode, it would be good. Let's see. FZS, Splendor, CB100, in the next episode in these chit chat videos, let's start counting the number of passion and shine or splendor that we see. Apache 160, 160 and 180, it's hard to identify passion. I think by the tire size we could. I'm not sure. Let me know. Splendor. That was Splendor Pro. It was not the usual Splendor Plus. And remember, please look whether there is someone coming or not. Splendor, Hero Splendor Plus. We have Passion right in front of us. Again, Splendor. That was Hero, Splendor, Splendor. Again, yeah, I guess we have to stop. Doesn't matter. There will always be 10x, 20x Splendor in comparison to Apache bullets. There are a lot of bullets and Apaches, but I guess it's based on the location. The region that I am in right now might have more Splendors and Passions. If I move to specific Noida 63, or maybe area around 75, 76, it would have more Apaches and maybe R15s. Yeah, R15s should be more. I don't know why R15s are not there. I guess it's a rainy weather. R15s are, people are usually afraid of the dirt because they don't usually have a tire agar. Talking about tire agar, I should be afraid as well, because even I don't have a tire agar. It's a rainy weather. Yes, let's hope that it does not rain. So yeah, what else, guys? We have a Pulsar. Pulsar, which one? 125. The sad part is that I don't even remember what all CC engine power Pulsar comes in. I have not tried looking at bikes from a very long time. I've been riding this bike from last 4.5 years. When you are satisfied with your bike, you don't usually end up looking at other bikes online. I mean, I do look at, and I guess everyone does, but not Pulsar. If a person would have a 350cc cruiser bike, they won't look at Pulsar. They might look at, so let's say, what do I look at? RR310, then Duke 390. I do not like the color scheme, the orange part, but I still love that bike. Then 390, 310, what else? Pulsar? No, NX 200, 400, doesn't matter. I had NS 200, great bike, but now I do not like the new NX series. I've heard a lot of reviews about NX 400. Engine wise, power wise, it's good. Not the build quality, the brake pads, those are not great. It does not suit with the bike. So we're talking about what other type of bikes would a person would look at if they already have a 350cc. Interceptor, yes, love of a lot of riders. People who have it, it's like there's a quote, दूर की थाली सबको अच्छे लगते हैं शायद. Yeah, it means that whatever the other person has, you will end up liking that. Interceptor is a kind of that bike. You will love it when you see others riding it, but would you love it if you have it? Maybe, not fully sure. Hunter 350, it's a good bike. It was not in the market when I was looking out for bikes, so I don't remember whether it was there 4.5 years ago, but it's a good bike. I've heard a lot about this bike, and honestly, the reviews or the perception that we have on these bikes is created by the reels and shots that we see. if we see people appreciating the look, the bike quality, we do end up creating a perception that yes, the bike is really good. But I guess, yeah, that's how it works. If the bike is really good, people would usually say about it. Like I always say, this is a great bike. I don't usually say that. I guess this is the first time I'm saying it in a video. Yeah, this is a great bike, guys. I do not regret, even 1%, I don't regret buying this bike. My other option was Interceptor, yes, at that time Interceptor was in the market. But I did not buy it, first because of the cost. It was at least 1 lakh more than this bike. Second, the power, at that time I did not want that kind of a power from my bike, because I had an X200, so I was familiar with the power. An X200 used to go to up to 150. I still remember I touched an X200 NS200 150. It was on 149. I was on a flyover, and as soon as the slope came, the bike touched 150, and I just released the throttle. I was fully satisfied that yes, I touched 150 from anesthesia. Afterward, the engine seized. The whole engine just got seized, created a tick tick sound. I had to go to the service center the next day. I might still remember, it costed me around 19,000 or 29,000. I think it was 19,000. 29,000 might not be the right figure. Yeah, it costed me 19,000 to get the engine repaired. And as soon as I did it, I sold the bike. It was a second-hand bike. So before NS200, I had Apache RTR 180. Again, great bike. I think from the bikes that I had in my past, my love for bikes started way back. RTR 180 was a great bike. Not the newer model, the first or the second model. How do I explain it? It was, let me remember. I had that RTR 180 in 2016, so it was not the new model. Yeah, if you see this model, this was not the model. I had the model before it. Classic Apache 180, great bike, great acceleration, power delivery, everything. Then I had NS200, again one of the awesome bikes. I don't remember seeing a lot of NS200 now, but at that time it was a great bike. I bought it second hand from a person after he had that bike for almost 2 years. He took a great care. He even changed the tire. He did not want to keep the stock tire, so he changed it. I don't remember the exact tire, but it was really wide for a Pulsar NS200. So yeah, see, we started with counting bikes, we went on to talking about my bikes, and then my past. Alright guys, I have reached office, so meet you in the next chit chat videos. Drop a comment below if you like these chit chat, watching these chit chat videos. I know you can't chit chat, it's only me, but drop a comment if you have anything that you would want me to talk about in my next video. Alright, thank you guys.